Video of Boo. Video. Tap, tap, tap. Tap, tap, tap.
He's preoccupied with something. I don't know what it is.
Ooh.
He is stuck on something.
He has thoughts going through his head. Step up. Good boy. What do you want? What do you see? I think... Oh, is there like a ball or something that he remembers putting around here?
No, it's in his play box.
In his play box. Are you looking for your ball? Boo? Are you boo scanning? Where is the play box? Boo? Wait, where is it? Oh, look. Are you looking for this? There's your ball. Are you looking for one of those? What do you want? I'm trying to figure out what he wants. He may want to COOKIE. Oh. Nut, Chips Ahoy. You want a nut? Oh, nut? Yeah, okay. You can't have any of the others. The cashews are your nuts. Oh, this is a messy counter. We keep it real, though. Good boy. That's a nut. He wanted a cashew.
Good.
He pointed to them.
Yep.
He did the Boo scan, and finally I figured out where Boo was pointing.
Yep.
You're such a good bird. Boo. Boo. You're so cute. Boo knows exactly what he wants. He remembers that's in the kitchen. And he goes for what he wants because he's a good little cockatoo. Little Boo. Yep, you're eating with your right foot. That's your right foot. It is pretty cool. Good bird. Okay, done? Okay, now what? Oh, now he wants a cookie. Well, we're not getting, no, we're not going to get a cookie yet. No, no. You can...
Weigh him.
Oh, let's weigh him.